In recent developments, Russia has claimed to have shot down hundreds of Ukrainian drones, sparking concerns nationwide. The Russian government reports that these attacks began overnight, with estimates suggesting up to 200 drones intercepted in a single afternoon. The drone threat has led to significant disruptions at major Moscow airports, with numerous flights delayed or rerouted. In response, Russian authorities have increased airspace security, deploying advanced defense systems throughout the Moscow region. Experts suggest that Ukraine's drone operations may serve as a strategy to strike back at Russian military targets while showcasing their capabilities. The types of drones involved range from small, commercially available models to advanced military-grade UAVs, highlighting a diverse arsenal in this ongoing conflict. To understand this incident, we must consider the historical backdrop of Russia and Ukraine's strained relationship, accelerated by earlier drone incidents throughout the war. International reactions have varied, with some countries expressing concern over destabilization and others supporting Ukraine's right to defend itself. The implications of this incident may extend far beyond immediate airspace disruptions, potentially altering ongoing military operations on both sides. As the situation unfolds, it's crucial to keep an eye on both the tactical responses and diplomatic channels, as developments may reshape the conflict landscape.